Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is MarineMax and we're here to show you the Scout 300 LXF. This particular boat we ordered Shark Gray. Beautiful color, twin Yamaha 300s. This boat will top out at 63 miles an hour. Great performing hull. Let's step inside. This boat was ordered with the forward-facing seat. Nice live well. Nice recessed Yeti cooler here. Slides in real easy. Dual Garmin 12-inch screens, nice and recessed, nice and flushed. The 300 LXF comes with a C-zone system where all our switching is integrated into the Garmin's, so it makes it a clean dash. If you want to come around this way, this particular 30 LXF we ordered with an air conditioning system with an inverter. You can run your air conditioning for 4 hours with the motors off. If you notice, right up in that corner is your AC control. Turns into a bed or into a bench seat. Really cools the cabin very well. Let's go towards the bow. The nice thing about the 30 LXF, it has a nice sun lounge. Super comfortable even when you're running or when you're anchored. Great storage here for your backpacks, just easy access. Every boat should be designed like this. Good storage here. Recessed windlass. You can control it from up here or from the helm. Well folks, thank you for joining us. Please look for us on YouTube or on Facebook, and please look at our next video. Thank you very much.